1. Fold the square piece of paper in half, creasing it. Line up the edges of the paper when you fold it to make sure you're creating a line directly down the middle. Press firmly with your fingernail to form the crease. 2. Unfold the paper and cut along the crease line. Use your scissors to cut the piece of paper in half. The groove of the crease should help guide your scissors in a straight line through the paper. 3. Make accordion folds with one of the pieces of the paper. Fold a small piece lengthwise, then flip the paper over to fold it back onto itself. Continue flipping the paper from side to side as you fold along the entire length of the paper. Think of this motion as similar to making a pleat or a fan. 4. Take the other piece of paper you cut and fold it in half lengthwise. Place the two longer edges on top of each other. Then create a crease by pressing down along the fold. 5. Open it up and fold the four corners in toward the center crease line. Line up the edges straight along the crease. Your paper will now be in the shape of a hexagon, with two pointed ends formed by the folded corners. Six. Flip the paper over and make accordion folds on each side of the crease. Fold one half the paper in towards the center. Then repeat on the other side. This will be the top half of the butterfly's wings. 7. Bend both pieces of pleated paper in half. Press the pleats together and hold the paper between your thumb and forefinger. Carefully fold one end onto the other, creasing it firmly. 8. Place one piece above the other and tie them together at the center. Arrange the two pieces so that they form a butterfly shape. Pinch them together while you tie string or cord around both pieces. 9. Pull out the pleats to open up the wings. Scrunched up folds don't exactly resemble a beautiful butterfly. Gently pull the pleats apart so that the two pieces of paper look like one large wing on each side instead of two disjointed ones.